next day. It's July 4th and I'm really excited. Happy July 4th everyone, even though this is probably coming out like next week. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm not quite sure where I ended off yesterday, but as you can see, I'm wearing one of my tie-dye t-shirts. I will show you guys all of them in just a second. You know the one that I did where it was like blue on the top and red on the bottom and white in the middle? I wanted to do that one so I could wear it today, but it kind of turned out really ugly. Hopefully we're going to put some bleach on it and fix those spots. I don't know if it will be ready to wear today, but if that doesn't work out, I've got a couple other 4th of July shirts I might wear. I'll just show you guys the shirts real quick. I am pretty happy with this one. Like, this one really surprised me, and then the other two turned out really great. Really the only one that turned out ugly was the one I was most excited about, but it's okay.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on memory.
But yeah, I think I'm gonna cut the sleeves off. Maybe like, I think I'm gonna take like one of my other oversized shirts and use that like as a model to see what the length the sleeves need to be. I'm trying to figure out whether or not I want to crop it, but I don't know. Looks nice like this. Something nice to wear in the winter. But when I think about dolphins and sea creatures, I don't really think about the winter. So I kind of want to spice it up. I want to think that I did more than just dye it, you know? It actually turned out so much better than it was looking to turn out.
Focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
It's done. Oh my gosh.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
So here it is with it cropped, and then I folded the sleeves. You can see all the shirts I've changed into back there. I think it turned out pretty cute. I like it. Really like it. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it today or not though, because it's 4th of July. I kind of want to look a little more patriotic than some dolphins, but yeah, I'm contemplating on whether or not to cut it more, because look, if you leave it like that, it's sticking out weird in the front. I don't know. It's weird looking, but I really like it. I think it turned out really good, so I'm really happy with this.
Eventually.
I'll show you guys the outfit really quick because we're already running late, but there it is. My hair is just in this little beaded braid. These earrings are from Walmart and they're so cute. They're like little dragonflies and they're red, white, and blue. This is a Kendra Scott choker. This bracelet's from Lokai. This is a bracelet I made last year. It says Surf's Up, and then this shirt just says Land That I Love. I think it's from Lifeway, but I might be wrong. And these shorts are from Old Navy, and I'll probably wear my glitter Converse with this. Yeah, okay. See you guys in a bit.
Okay, you just do.
That shows pictures of that. So the premise behind the story is they created this program where they
This horsefly has been plaguing everyone, and I just whacked it with a pool noodle. And so, Ella's victorious today.
Bye. Not much to see, but.
Use your head. Use your head.
She likes the ball.
Let's go.
How old is he now? 3?
You wanna be on my team?
I was like, how would you know that?
A little far.
He said, I actually did.
Hey guys, we're going to the fire. Oh, it's backwards.
I love
Hey
you.
guys, we're going to the.
No,
My feet.
I have your children!
Okay, so we're gonna go see fireworks. I just made everybody late. They were rushing me, and I had to walk on the gravel because I didn't have my shoes on.
Get in the car!
Did you go?
We're with my aunt and uncle, and Mimi's the camera woman, and then there's Alex. We left our parents behind. We're going to live with Ben and Hillary now.
My parents still in the car.
Yeah,
I'm here.
they're gonna feed us to the dogs.
One of them's part dog and part alligator,
Yeah,
and the other one's part dolphin.
yeah. Mason looks like a dolphin. Ben, you're going to get a ticket
Why is that?
because you didn't have on your seatbelt.
What are you talking about?
You guys on what now? Praise the Lord.
Video documentation, Ben. Yeah, I'll see you in a little while.
Let's go.
There are like a million
No
people
open
out here.
cups.
Oh my gosh.
I hope she
Okay,
gets,
let's see if we can see any.
Well, this is so mad height.
They could be behind. I'm just saying, are we looking the wrong direction?
They could be on the moon
Mayflower.
up there.
Oh, there we go.
Hey.
Hi, this is Ryan.
Hi.
Sarah's husband.
Sarah.
Yeah.
We're married. We love each other.
Oh.
Alright, it's fine.
That's a wrap.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Alright.
we love you.
Wait, Nancy, they can't see you.
I'm Aunt Nancy.
And this is
Alright.
Aunt Sarah, and then you know everybody else.
All right.
Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy 4th.
I